No, they put it on Twitter.
No, the Twitter is not the way to communicate between states.
Have you spoken to the Ethiopian Prime Minister then?
No.
Why not?
Why do I speak? Because he's taking part of my country. And
the President of the Federal Republic of Somalia, Hassan Sheikh Mohamud. Thank you very much for being with us, sir. We have plenty of questions for you. Starting with this one. You've called Ethiopia an enemy. You have recalled your ambassador in Ethiopia. You have ruled out mediation with Addis unless they pull the plug on this deal. So how do you expect this crisis to be resolved then?
Well, first of all, thank you for having me here. And then it was not Somalia who created this problem. Ethiopia has created this problem. They are the ones who initiated claiming that they will take and annex part of Somalia to their country.
But they don't say they're annexing. They say it's a commercial deal.
No, it is not. Ethiopia has a commercial interest